I invite all the fresh qualified chartered accountant members to this convocation ceremony. I hope you all are excited for this big day. Okay, on the dais, immediate past president of ICAI, CA Aniket Talati sir, CA Vishal Doshi sir, he was a central council member, CA Purushottam Khandelwal sir, who is also a central council member, and Sunil Sanghvi sir, chairman of Ahmedabad branch. A big round of applause for them. Now immediately we start with the felicitation of CA Aniket Sunil Talati sir, our chief guest of the day and also immediate past president of ICAI. I request Purushottam Khandelwal sir and Vishal Doshi sir to do the needful. Now I request CA Sunil Sanghvi sir, chairman of Ahmedabad branch, to felicitate our central council member Purushottam Khandelwal sir with a bouquet and a memento. Now I again request CA Sunil Sanghvi sir, chairman of Ahmedabad branch, to felicitate CA Vishal Doshi sir with a bouquet and a memento. Now I would introduce CA Vishal Doshi sir, central council member. As such, all the dignitaries don't need any kind of introduction, but still a brief introduction we'll start with. Vishal sir is a central council member of ICAI 2022-25. He is also International Auditing and Assurance Standard Board member for 2024-26. He has been a member of Western India Regional Council of ICAI from 2019 to 22. He has been a chairman of Baroda branch of WRC of ICAI for 2005-2006. He is a central council member of the Institute of Chartered Accountants of India and member of International Auditing and Assurance Standard Board for 2024-26. He is the chairman of Financial Reporting Review Board. He has been a member of Western India Regional Council for 2019 and 2019 to 2022. He has been a technical evaluator of financial statements for ICAI Awards for Excellence in Financial Reporting for Research Committee. To his credit, Vishal sir has been awarded Rashtrapati Scout Award by Shri K.R. Narayanan, Honorable President of India. Big round of applause for him. Sir, I request you to address the fresh qualified chartered accountants.
Respected and our most revered immediate past president, CA Aniket Bhai Talati, one of the most hard-working and energetic central council member and my colleague, CA Purushottam Bhai Khandelwal, CA Sunil Bhai Sanghvi, chairman of Ahmedabad branch, CA Sunit Bhai Shah, secretary of Ahmedabad branch, regional council members, Vikas Bhai Jain, Chintan Bhai Patel, the managing committee members of the Ahmedabad branch, past chairman, other dignitaries, the newly qualified chartered accountants, and their parents. A very, very good morning to all of you. Welcome to this profession of chartered accountancy. As a member, you are always there as a student, but welcome as a member. Before I share anything, friends, I would request all the newly qualified chartered accountants to please stand up where they are. Please turn around and give a big round of applause to your parents. Thank you very much. At every convocation, friends, many times I do sound like an Atwaram Tukaram Bide, but I would never forget the contributions of my parents in my journey till today. Very small things I still remember. Getting up early, because I believe everybody has their own strengths and weakness when we study. Some prefer late night study. I always preferred an early morning study with a fresh mind. And I remember my dad and mom asking me, okay, what time are you planning to wake up tomorrow? If I say 4:30, my dad would be there at 4 o'clock. My mom would be there at 4:30 to ensure that I am awake, fresh, and motivated to start my study. This is just one instance, and I believe everybody over here can, actually write a 100 marks paper. I know nobody wants to write a paper anymore, but we can still at least, on this we can definitely write a 100 marks paper about the contributions that our parents have done so far in our journey, and I am confident that everybody would score 100 out of 100 in that. Well, today I feel very relieved, especially Aniket Bhai, that today I am not going to be bombarded with questions on the new scheme and the self-paced online module. Because it is now out of syllabus for all of these persons over here. So once again, a heartfelt congratulations to all of you. Friends, we heard the chief guest and our president also mentioning about ethics, integrity, independence. I would just suggest one thing, whether you are in practice, whether you are in industry. We right now all of us read the oath also. Many of us would have, just gone through verbatim, speaking out the oath. But my request is that whenever in your career you come across such a situation where you are not ethically comfortable, I would request you just do two things. Apply a speed breaker definitely at that moment when you are signing off or doing any such thing or taking any decision. Just do two things. One is read the oath which you have taken today. For those who have also, were understanding what they were narrating, what they were reading, it is a very comprehensive oath which talks about our duties, our responsibilities to the nation, to the society, and to the profession. So that is the first thing we should do in such situation, definitely read the oath. And second, like we see in many Hindi movies, just close your eyes and visualize your parents. Whether they would appreciate you taking that decision or signing on that certificate or financial statements which you are about to sign. Only when you tick both the boxes, then go ahead. Even if in one you are not able to confidently tick, apply brakes and say a big no. This is the ethics which we need to practice going forward. You are all youngsters, you have the full career, you have a full life ahead of you. And just like in CA exams, let me tell you, in life also there are no shortcuts, right? We have toiled very hard. We have burned the midnight oil, I would say, to reach this stage. And we have never ever applied shortcuts. We have seen that in CA exams also, if we have applied shortcuts, what happens? The same thing would apply to our lives also, our careers also, that wherever we feel that we can take a shortcut, definitely that would be a very longer journey in reaching the destination rather than taking a shortcut out of it. Another thing I would like to request all of you are youngsters, and like I said, you have the full career, your life ahead of you, is to pay back to the profession. You have now these two alphabets before your name, the alphabet of CA. And we normally, what we say is that there is a journey where you learn, you earn, and then you return. Returning back to the profession, and I can tell you it's not necessary that you have to start earning a lot and then only you can return. Even small things, like you have been through the whole journey of the CA students, and you would find many such youngsters, who are enthusiastic to become chartered accountants, who are appearing for CA exams, and maybe small things from your side where you can do some hands-holding, you can support them. May not be back to the institute, but even to such students, to such friends of yours, you can I would say, support them in their exams. You have the various branch from whichever city you are coming, you would have the institute's library and premises where you can take some 1 hour, 2 hour of something like even a revisionary lecture, for the students who are going to appear for the exams. It will not only keep you updated, there is a selfish interest in that, because you will also continuously keep reading whatever is relevant, whatever is of interest to you, and in turn you will also be helping and guiding these youngsters who tomorrow would be sitting in a place where you are sitting today, and maybe you would be over here convocating them, right? So always have this journey of yours to keep yourself relevant, keep yourself updated, and also returning back to the institute, to the profession, what you would be gaining in the future. And finally, my last words is collaborate. To those who are going in practice especially, I would recommend that rather than starting a practice as an individual, as a sole proprietor, the days of small are over. We have seen that in many such professions, many such businesses, and the same would apply to our profession also. And it's always desirable to specialize, to collaborate. We used to have a saying that jack of all, master of none. There's just one alphabet that has been dropped now in the current scenario. What we have is jack of all, master of one. From that none, N has been removed, and what we have is master of one. So it's important for us to specialize in any area, but also have a knowledge of the other areas. And when you collaborate, when you enter into partnerships, when you have a large team of people along with you, that is where the growth, the journey, your vision for your career, for your life would get achieved. So once again, my heartiest congratulations to all of you, and wish you all the best in your career ahead. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, Vishal sir. Now I briefly introduce our Central Council member, Purushottam Khandelwal sir. Before his address, CA Purushottam Khandelwal sir is a Central Council member of ICAI for the year 2022 to 25. He is a fellow member of the Institute of Chartered Accountants of India. He is also a law graduate from Gujarat University, Ahmedabad. He is a senior partner of Purushottam Khandelwal and Company, Ahmedabad, having 25 years post-qualification experience in the field of audit. His key position held at ICAI is elected as a Central Council member. He has been a chairman of CP Committee 2024-25. He is a convener of RBI Directorate 2024-25. He has been the secretary of WRC of ICAI for the year 2018-19. He was the president of Rotary Club Ahmedabad Airport in the year 2014-15. He has also served as an assistant governor for Rotary District in the year 2020-21. With this brief profile, I welcome you, sir, to address the students, or address the members, rather. A big round of applause for him.
Good afternoon. Dignitaries on the dais, immediate past president of ICI from our own city, Ahmedabad, CA Aniket Bhai Talati. Last year, he served the institute as a president, under whom leadership ICI has done lot of works. He was instrumental in launching a CA logo with tricolor, CA India. His father was also a president of ICI in 2007-8. He given a 2 letters CA in year 2007. And his son given identity worldwide CA India. Please give a big round of applause for that. A man of technology, a man of commitment. He always available for the member and student at large. Under his leadership, last year, they started a construction of iconic branch building, 1,25,000 square feet, India's largest ICI Bhavan given to the Institute of Chartered Accountant of India. Please, I welcome all of you in this as a chief guest for the today's function, my dear friend and council colleague. He is a man of auditing, accounting standard, always helping to the member, Shri Vishal Doshi ji from Baroda, chairman of the Ahmedabad branch, CA Sunil Bhai Sanghvi. He is always pro to the members, students. And the last 3 days, 29, 30, and 1st, we all were here in these auditoriums for the celebration of student conference and CA day. Sunit Bhai Shah, secretary of the branch, of the dais, regional council member, Chintan Bhai Patel, vice chairman of the Ahmedabad branch, Neerav Agrawal ji, Samir Chaudhary ji, Abhinav Malviya ji, Rinkesh Bhai, past chairman, Fenil Bhai, Vikas Bhai Jain, regional council member, Karim Bhai, Uday Ravi Ranpura, Chetan, and all respected members. Aaj to member kya hai na? I welcome all of in this allied clad of chartered accountants, a family of 4,09,000 members. Currently, we are having a 9 lakh student. Combined together, we are the largest body of the accounting profession. So it should be pride for all of you that if you have cracked the India's toughest examination, chartered accountant, please give a big round of applause for yourself. Your parent has given a biological name to you, but the ICI has given 2 letters, which is your identity, which is your earning. CA words has given by the ICI. I am always say, ICI is a mother institute. Why I am saying mother institute? What mother does? Vishal bhai parents માટે બહુ જ રિસ્પેક્ટફુલ તમને ગ્રીટ કર્યા. પ્રેસિડેન્ટ સર કીધું, ચાવલા સાહેબ કીધું, નંદાજીએ કીધું. હું પણ ચાન્સ લઈશ કે પેરેન્ટ્સ માટે રિસ્પેક્ટ હોવો જોઈએ. Why I am saying ICI is also a mother institute. What? Mother. Mother is not giving birth to the child, but taking care entire life. જ્યારે જન્મ થાય ત્યારથી જીવનમાં સેટલ ના થાય ત્યાં સુધી મધર એની કેર કરતી હોય છે. ઇન્સ્ટિટ્યૂટ પણ આવી જ રીતે જ્યારે તમે ઇન્સ્ટિટ્યૂટ જોઈન કરો છો, તમને ભણાવવાની બોર્ડ ઓફ સ્ટડીઝ મટીરિયલ આપે છે, ટ્રેનિંગ કરી આપે છે, એક્ઝામ લે છે, પાસ થાવ ત્યારે તમારા માટે કેમ્પસ ઓર્ગેનાઇઝ કરે છે. તમે જીવનમાં સેટલ ના થાવ ત્યાં સુધી તમને હેલ્પ કરે છે. ડોન્ટ ફોરગેટ ધી મધર ઇન્સ્ટિટ્યૂટ ઓફ ICI. ગીવ અ બિગ રાઉન્ડ ફોર ધ ICI. Friends, chartered accountant is such a profession which give you a full respect in the society. The past president of ICI, Y.H. Malgam, always say, why a chartered accountant is different from other profession? Number we have or a power we have? He said that the respect we command from the society, that's why we are different from the other profession. આજે તમને ગર્વ થાય છે કે અમે તમે સીએ થયા છો, પણ સાથે તમારા પેરેન્ટ્સને પણ એટલો જ ગર્વ થાય છે કે મારા છોકરા સીએ થયા છે. ઇઝ ટ્રુ? તમારા પછી કોઈ સૌથી વધારે ખુશી થતી હોય તો તમારા પેરેન્ટ્સ ને પછી તમારા પ્રિન્સિપલને, જેને તમને ટ્રેનિંગ આપી છે. ભરે તમને ભણતી વખતે એવું લાગતું હશે કે અમારું મિત્રો જિંદગીમાં જે કંઈ છે માર્ગદર્શન તો એને જ આપ્યું છે. કે છે ને, ગુરુ गोविंद दो खड़े किसका लागू पाओ, बलियारी गुरु आपकी गोविंद दियो बताए. अगर प्रिंसिपल आपको नहीं समझाते, मैं हमेशा कहता हूँ जब भी मुझे मौका मिलता है, ICI is a different profession. Why? Because of the practical training we are giving to you. તમને તરવાના બધા સિદ્ધાંત આપે સ્વિમિંગના. ઇફ યુ ફ્લો ઇન ટુ વોટર્સ યુ કાન્ટ સ્વિમ. હાથ કેવી રીતે લાવવા, એ જે તમને તૈયાર કર્યા છે એ તમારા પ્રિન્સિપલે તૈયાર કર્યા છે. જેને સિરિયસલી આર્ટિકલથી ટ્રેનિંગ કરી હશે, દે વિલ બી ડિફરન્ટ ફ્રોમ ધ અધર ચાર્ટર્ડ એકાઉન્ટ હુ પાસ ધી એક્ઝામિનેશન્સ. એ તમારે અત્યારે જીવનમાં ખબર પડશે કે કદાચ મેં ટ્રેનિંગ વ્યવસ્થિત કરી હોત તો મારે આજે જીવનમાં ક્યાં આગળ વધી ગયો હોત. ઓલ આર પાસ ધ સેમ એક્ઝામિનેશન. એક જ સિલેબસ હતું, એક જ પરીક્ષા હતી, પણ તમારામાંથી કોઈ સીએફઓ થશે, કોઈ પ્રેક્ટિસ કરશે, કોઈ બિઝનેસમેન થશે, કોઈ એનાલિસિસ થશે. તમારી કેપેબિલિટી પ્રમાણે જે તમને યોગ્ય લાગે મિત્રો એ પ્રોફેશનમાં આગળ વધજો. એટલે સીએ કરી એનો મતલબ એ નથી કે આપણે પ્રેક્ટિસ જ કરવી છે, અટેસ્ટેશન ફંક્શન જ કરવું છે. તમને લાગે ના બિઝનેસ ચાલુ કરાય, આઈ હેવ એ નંબર ઓફ એક્ઝામ્પલ. મારે પોલિટિશિયન થવું છે, 100% થવાય. આપણે ઇન્સ્ટિટ્યૂટ ઇન્ડિયામાં પીએસ ગોયલજી એ ચાર્ટર્ડ એકાઉન્ટન્ટ છે, મિનિસ્ટર છે, કોમર્સ મિનિસ્ટર છે. સુરેશ પ્રભુ હતા, કે રહેમાન ખાન સાહેબ હતા. દોઝ હુ આર ધ પોલિટિક્સ. ઇન્ડસ્ટ્રીમાં સક્સેસ કુમાર મંગલમ બિરલા, ઇન્વેસ્ટમેન્ટમાં રાકેશ ઝુંઝુનવાલા, મોતીલાલ ઓસવાલ, રામદેવ. હમણાં થોડા દિવસ પહેલાં અમદાવાદના એક ચાર્ટર્ડ એકાઉન્ટન્ટ અહીંયા પ્રોગ્રામમાં હતા. હી વોઝ ઓનર ઓફ ઇવોસિસ. ઉમંગ નાટા, નેટવર્ક એની 800 કરોડ છે. 45 યરનો ચાર્ટર્ડ એકાઉન્ટન્ટ. સીએ થયા પછી એને ઇવોસિસ કરીને કંપની ખોલી હતી. એ કંપનીમાં હી વોઝ ગિવિંગ અ એમ્પ્લોયમેન્ટ ટુ 500 ચાર્ટર્ડ એકાઉન્ટન્ટ્સ. જસ્ટ હી સોલ્ડ હિઝ કંપની ટુ માસ્ટેક વિથ 500 કરોડ રૂપીઝ. એટલે તમારા માટે સ્કાય ઇઝ ધ લિમિટ. એવું નથી કે આજે ચાર્ટર્ડ એકાઉન્ટન્ટ થયા પછી પબ્લિક સર્વિસમાં ના જવાય. લાસ્ટ યર અનિકેત સર હેઝ ગિવન મી અ કમિટી કોલ્ડ CMEP, કમિટી ફોર એન્ટરપ્રિનરશિપ એન્ડ પબ્લિક સર્વિસે. આપણા ઘણા બધા મેમ્બર્સ, અરાઉન્ડ 2000 મેમ્બર એવા છે જે IAS છે, IRS છે, IPS છે, IFS છે, ફોરેન સર્વિસમાં છે, EDમાં છે, CBIમાં છે, સેબીમાં છે. તમને જાણીને આનંદ થશે કે એક કમિટી હજી ઇન્સ્ટિટ્યૂટ સાથે ઇન્ટેક્ટ છે. એ લોકો આવે છે, અમને ગાઈડ કરે છે. એટલે ICI આ કમિટી બનાવી છે જસ્ટ તમને ગાઈડ કરવા માટે, મોટિવેટ કરવા માટે. તમારામાંથી જો કોઈ પણ જો પબ્લિક સર્વિસ જોઈન કરશે તો વી વિલ બી મોસ્ટ હેપીએસ્ટ પ્રેસિડેન્ટ સર. કે કેમ એડવોકેટ જ બધા થાય છે, આપણે કેમ ના થઈ શકીએ? સો સ્કાય જો મેં જ્યારે અમને CMEPની મિટિંગ થાય, જે IAS ઓફિસર છે, CA ઇન્કમટેક્સ કમિશનર, એમને મળીએ તો એ શું કહે છે કે એકવાર CA પાસ થઈ ગયું ને પછી અમારા માટે કોઈ એક્ઝામ ઇમ્પોર્ટન્ટ નથી. વી કેન ક્રેક એની એક્ઝામ. સો CA જે થઈ શકતા હોય તો UPSC એક્ઝામ થઈ શકે, GPSC એક્ઝામ થઈ શકે. તો તમને આ ચાન્સ છે, હું તમને મોટિવેટ કરું છું કે તમે જોઈન કરો. હજી ઉંમર નાની છે, એવું કોઈ જરૂરી નથી કે આજના આજ CA થઈને કમાવાનું ચાલુ કરવાનું છે. સો શ્યોર આઈ વિલ બી હેપી. નેક્સ્ટ ટાઈમ આઈ વિલ મીટ યુ એઝ આઈ એમ ધ IAS, આઈ એમ ધ કલેક્ટર ઓફ સો એન્ડ સો ડિસ્ટ્રિક્ટ, આઈ એમ ધ ઇન્કમ ટેક્સ કમિશનર. It's possible for you. Number of chartered accountants is there. If you want to help, ICI will help you. There is a committee for public service is there in ICI. You all are the brand ambassador. આપણે કીધું ને ઇન્ટિગ્રેટ, ઇન્ડિપેન્ડન્સ એન્ડ ઇન્ડિપેન્ડન્સ ખરેખર શું? તમે તમારા કામને જ્યારે કોઈ પણ અપોઇન્ટિંગ ઓથોરિટી તમને અપોઇન્ટ કરે તો પણ તમે જે એથિકલ છે એ જ કરો. દેટ ઇઝ કોલ્ડ ઇન્ડિપેન્ડન્સ. મિત્રો જિંદગીમાં પ્રેશર આવશે. ઇફ યુ એન પ્રેક્ટિસ, ઇફ યુ આર ઇન ધ ઇન્ડસ્ટ્રીઝ, પ્રેક્ટિસમાં હશે તો ક્લાયન્ટ આવીને કહેશે સાહેબ બધું જોઈ લીધું છે, સાઇન કરી દો ને. એટલે એટલું જ સાઇન કરવાનું તમે જ કરી દો. એને લાગતું કે સાહેબ 5 જ મિનિટનું કામ છે, પણ એને ખબર ક્યાં છે કે 5 મિનિટના કામ કરવામાં સાહેબ મેં 3 વર્ષ રાત અને દિવસ મહેનત કરી છે. એનો નિચોડ છે આજે જે આપણે સર્ટિફિકેટ આપીએ છીએ. અનિકેતભાઈને કહીશ કે તમને થોડું શીખવાડશે કે ફી કેવી રીતે લેવાય. સર આ ટોપિક જરૂર લેજો, કેમ કે યુ અંડરમાઇન યોર સેલ્ફ. જે મહેનત કરી છે એની સામે તમે શું ચાર્જ કરો છો? બીકોઝ વોટ વી આર સેલિંગ સર્વિસીસ, વી આર સેલિંગ અવર ટાઈમ. જો તમે ટાઈમની વેલ્યુ નહીં કરો તો ટાઈમ તમારી વેલ્યુ નહીં કરે. ચક્ર રોકાવાનું નથી, ડે એક એક ઓછો થાય છે. તો એ પરફેક્ટ પ્લાનિંગ જરૂરી છે. તમે કેટલા પ્લાનિંગ કર્યું કે મારા નેક્સ્ટ 5 યરમાં શું થવાનું છે, કે મારી પ્રેક્ટિસ ક્યાં લઈ જવાની છે, કે મારે આ ફિલ્ડમાં જવાનું છે. મિત્રો પઢાઈ પૂરી થઈ એનો મેં એ નથી કે તમે રિલેક્સ થઈને બેસી જાઓ. યોર રિયલ લાઈફ સ્ટાર્ટેડ નાઉ. અત્યારે તમારી જીવનની શરૂઆત થાય છે. તમારે આગળ પહોંચવું છે, તમારા સ્વપ્ન પૂરા કરવા છે. જોયા છે ને કોઈએ? કેમ કે ફર્સ્ટ સ્વપ્ન તમારા માઇન્ડમાં હોય કે મારે શું થવું છે. જો તમે એ માઇન્ડમાં નક્કી કર્યો છે ને તો દોસ્તો જીવનમાં તમે 100% સક્સેસ થશો. હું જ્યારે 1987માં અમદાવાદ ભણવા આવ્યો ત્યારે મને સીએ શું હોય ખબર નથી. ત્યારે ગૂગલ નહોતું, કમ્પ્યુટર નહોતા, પણ મેં શોધી કાઢ્યું કે કોમર્સમાં 100થી સારી ડિગ્રી શું હોય છે તો સીએ હોય. એ સીએને શોધવા માટે મેં 6 મહિના પ્રયાસ કર્યો. અમદાવાદ મારા રાજસ્થાનના એક ચંપતસિંગીરીની ભણતા હતા, એમને પૂછ્યું કે સીએ શું હોય, એને કે તું અમદાવાદ આવી જાય હું તને ગાઈડ કરીશ. આજે ધન્ય છે કે એને મને ગાઈડ કરો ને મેં સીએ કોર્સ કર્યો. બાકી મને સીએ ખબર નથી કે સીએ થાય. અને આઈસીઆઈ કમ્પ્લીટલી ડેમોક્રેટિક પ્રોસેસ છે. જો મને સીએ ખબર નથી ને આજે હું તમારા સેન્ટ્રલ કાઉન્સિલમાં છું, તમારી સાથે પ્રેસિડેન્ટ સાથે મળીને કામ કરી શકતો હોઉં, તો ડેમોક્રેટિકમાં તમે પણ જઈ શકો છો. એક અમદાવાદના સિમ્પલ ચાર્ટર્ડ એકાઉન્ટન્ટ મેનેજિંગ કમિટીથી દિલ્હી તમને સેવા આપી શકે છે. એ ડેમોક્રેસી છે આઈસીઆઈની. અહીંયા કોઈ જાતિ ધર્મ કશું જ નથી, સિર્ફ યોગ્યતા રહે છે. હું નોર્મલી કહું છું સીએમ શું લાગે? પૈસા લાગતા નથી. શું લાગે છે? સિર્ફ જવાની લાગે છે. એ જો તમે તો આપી ચૂક્યા છો, હવે તો તમારે મહેનત જ કરવાની છે. લાસ્ટ યર મારી પાસે એક કમિટી હતી, કમિટી ઇન કેરિયર કાઉન્સિલિંગ. હું તમને પણ આજે કહીશ કે યુ ઓલ આર બ્રાન્ડ એમ્બેસેડર. તમને જ્યારે કોઈ પૂછે કે સીએ વિશે શું હોય તો તમારે એને જણાવવાનું. આજે નક્કી કરી લેજો, મને કોઈ ગાઈડ કરો છે, હું તમારી સામે ઊભો છું. તો તમારે પણ જીવનમાં કોઈ પણ પૂછવા આવે તેવું એને એવું ના કરતા, પણ એને પ્રોપર ગાઈડ કરજો કે ચાર્ટર્ડ એકાઉન્ટન્ટ શું છે, કેવી રીતે કરાય. એ જિંદગીભર તમને યાદ કરશે. જો પરિવારમાંથી તમારા પરિવારમાંથી એક સીએ થાય તો આખો પરિવારનો જીવન બદલાઈ જાય છે. એ પેરેન્ટ્સ તમે પાછા તો પેરેન્ટ્સને તમારાથી ઘણી બધી આશા છે કે મારા છોકરા જે સીએ થયો કે દીકરી સીએ થઈ છે. કહે છે ને પ્રેસિડેન્ટ હમણાં કીધું થર્ડ ચાર્ટર્ડ એકાઉન્ટન્ટ છે વુમેન ચાર્ટર્ડ એકાઉન્ટન્ટ. કેટલો સોફ્ટ પ્રોફેશન છે. તો જે તમારે સપના પૂરા કરવા સાથે તમારા પેરેન્ટ્સના પણ સપના પૂરા કરવાના છે. એવું નથી કે અમે ભણી ગયા એટલે પેરેન્ટને કે તમને શું ખબર પડે. એમને બધી જ ખબર પડે. જો એમને ખબર ના પડતી હોય તમે અહીંયા ના હો. એટલે એમને ગમે ત્યારે કોઈ પણ હેલ્પ છે કે મારા આજે પેરેન્ટ્સ નથી, એ હોત તો કદાચ એમને ખુશી થાત કે મારો દીકરો ક્યાં છે. બંને નથી આ દુનિયામાં, પણ તમારા પેરેન્ટ જો હયાત હોય તો એમની સાથે ચોક્કસ આજે સાઈન કહેજો કે પપ્પા તમારે શું કરવું છે, હું તો પાસ તો થઈ ગયો, મમ્મી તમારે શું જોઈએ, મારાથી શું એક્સપેક્ટેશન છે. એ એમની એક્સપેક્ટેશન પૂરી કરશો તો તમને ખુશી થશે, એમને પણ ખુશી થશે. એટલે જિંદગીમાં આપણા એકલાના સ્વપ્ન નથી હોતા, એમને પણ તમારામાં સ્વપ્ન જોયા છે, એ પણ તમારે મિત્રો પૂરા કરવાના છે. કરન્ટલી મારી પાસે સીપી કમિટી છે, મોસ્ટ વાઇબ્રન્ટ કમિટી છે. તમારે કન્ટિન્યુઅસ અપડેટ રાખવા માટે ઇન્સ્ટિટ્યૂટ આ કમિટી બનાવી છે. વી આર ઓર્ગેનાઇઝિંગ થ્રોટ પ્રોગ્રામ અક્રોસ ધ કન્ટ્રી. તમે જ્યારે તમારા પસંદના પ્રોગ્રામ હોય એ તમે અટેન્ડ કરી શકો છો. એના માટે અમે એક ડેશબોર્ડ બનાવીએ છીએ. એ ડેશબોર્ડમાં ઇન્ડિયાની 175 બ્રાન્ચે છે, એના દરેક પ્રોગ્રામ એક જ જગ્યા લિસ્ટેડો છે. એક જ જગ્યાથી તમે પૈસા ચૂકવી શકો છો. સો આઈ વિલ નોટ ટેક મચ ઓફ ટાઈમ. Aniket sir is here. I wish you all the best. Welcome to the noble profession. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Purushottam sir, for a wonderful speech as always. Now with a brief introduction of our immediate... welcome him with a big round of applause.
No introduction. Sunit bhai, 9મી જાન્યુઆરી 2024 આ લોકોનું રિઝલ્ટ આવ્યું અને રિઝલ્ટ પર મેં સહી કરી હતી. એટલે જો મારે ઇન્ટ્રોડક્શન આપવું પડે બે કારણ છે. એક તો મેં કીધું એમ, this is special. You are all chartered accountants today getting convocated, receiving your certificate of membership. Very special day for you, your parents, but equally a very special day for me because I go back to 9th of January 2024 when I was sitting in the chamber of the president of the institute and the exam secretary came and brought the result to me and I got the opportunity to sign the result, after which, of course, all of you had that unforgettable moment of opening caresults.nic.in. એ પહેલાં જેટલી લોકો મંદિર નહીં ગયા હોય, દેરાસર નહીં ગયા હોય, ગુરુદ્વારા નહીં ગયા હોય, મસ્જિદમાં નહીં ગયા હોય, પણ બધાએ બધી પોતાની પ્રાર્થનાઓ ચોક્કસ કરી હશે. અને મારે before we start, I want all of you to close your eyes and go back to that day of 9th of January when you opened that institute website and saw that you had qualified as a chartered accountant. Relive that wonderful moment, relive that day when there was, of course, great relief in you, but the tears in the eyes of your mother and an incredible smile on the face of your father. And that pride which you have brought to them, nobody in this world can take away from you. So be extremely proud of that day. Be extremely proud of what you have achieved. And remember forever, as you embark on your professional journey, I know some of you would have already completed articles, moved on to your job. Some of you would have taken a certificate of practice, may have already generated UDINs and started attestation work. But my request to each one of you is, you may be in industry, you may be in practice, whatever you do, always go back to that day and the pride that you were able to bring for your parents. અને જીવનમાં કંઈ પણ કરજો. Do whatever you feel like, get into practice, get into industry, go into business, take a vacation, go for a break. But don't ever do anything. Don't ever take a shortcut. So that your parents, with that pride on 9th of January which they saw you, will have to probably look down upon themselves when they walk in the society. And therefore it is extremely important for me to tell you today that as you convocate, rejoice, celebrate this day of joy. Also remember from today, there is a huge responsibility that is cast on your shoulder. And as you wear this gown, as you wear this hat, it is not only for you to throw the hat and put it as a story on your Instagram, but also remember that as you wear this gown and this hat, huge amount of responsibility now rests on your shoulder. The whole world, and especially the country of India, 140 કરોડની population છે. માત્ર 4 લાખ chartered accountants છે, and you are one of them. It's a matter of great pride and responsibility. So whatever you do, always live up to those expectations of your parents and only keep bringing more and more pride for them. It's also very special for me. You saw today Ranjit Agarwal ji, the president, Charanjot Singh Nanda ji, the vice president, TV Mohandas Pai, who is a great friend of the institute, himself a chartered accountant, and you are all aware, one of the first founding partners of what is today Infosys. And look at what he did in his life. He was a chartered accountant, but led as the head of human resources of Infosys. And if you look at Infosys, people may say it's a technology company, it's an IT company. But for me, if you look at Infosys, the biggest challenge is not moving from one code to the other or from moving from one generation of code language to the other and now to AI. I think the biggest challenge within Infosys was to manage people, tens of thousands of them. And I think somebody who did it extremely well with great amount of meticulousness was our chief guest Mohandas Pai, and that shows to you that once a chartered accountant decides that what I want to do It may not be just practice, it may not just be becoming a finance officer or CFO, but whatever you choose to do, you can excel in life and become the number one in the world. So I think great learnings for all of you. And also I think especially a moment which is to be rejoiced by me, because we started this 2 years ago. Earlier, convocation ceremonies used to happen on different dates across the different centers of the country. When it started, the president used to travel, but then we realized that it was not very efficient. Then on different days, on different cities, convocations were done. But the idea of the institute, which we started 2 years ago, was how do you, amongst yourself, start having that feeling of, I am the batch of November 23, and together we are 9,700 of us who have convocated and qualified as chartered accountants. And I think it is with this intention that we started this 2 years ago, and I'm delighted that it is continuing such a wonderful form. And what has truly changed this time is one very important aspect which we discussed in the council last week. We have with us Purushottam Khandelwalji, who so eloquently explained his own journey, a person coming from a humble background in Rajasthan, and today sitting as a central council member, one of the 32 council members of the Institute of Chartered Accountants of India. What an inspirational story for all of you to take inspiration from, to take guidance from. And it was him in the previous council last week who vehemently said that, yes, we will do convocation, but I have one precondition. And we all looked to him and he says, what is his condition? What is it that he's asking? And he said, sir, yes, it is important for us to give the degree to the newly qualified members, but we must also allow their parents to attend this convocation. And the institute changed its policy to allow parents of all of you to witness this historic moment. So Purushottam Bhai, your love for the members, your kind of feeling that you have to make sure that we can celebrate this day as a historic moment, not just in their lives, but in the lives of their parents. Also the kind of effort, friends, he is putting in, especially for those of you who come from Ahmedabad. I know Rajkotમાં ઇન્સ્ટિટ્યૂટની સારામાં સારી બિલ્ડિંગ છે. અમે ઘણીવાર જતા ને લોકો કહેતા કે what a beautiful ICI Bhavan Rajkot has. Baroda also coincidentally has a wonderful building. My father had the opportunity, as when he was president, to acquire the land there. Surat now has an extraordinary branch building, but with a lot of humility and yet a lot of pride, I can say, આ ત્રણેય બ્રાન્ચ ભેગી કરશો એનાથી મોટી અમદાવાદ બ્રાન્ચની બિલ્ડિંગ બની રહી છે. મેટર ઓફ ગ્રેટ પ્લેઝર. અને એ કામ માટે પુરુષોત્તમભાઈ છેલ્લા 1.5 વર્ષથી કાર્યરત છે. એન્ડ વેરી સૂન યુ વિલ બી seeing as members that wonderful building. To my other friend, Vishal Doshi ji, the second Central Council member from Gujarat who's on the dais. For the first time in the history of Institute, there are 32 council members. Earlier only એક જણ કાઉન્સિલમાં જતું હતું. એ પછી છેલ્લા થોડા વર્ષોથી 2 council member થયા. And this term is historic. For the first time, we have 3 council members, myself, Purushottam Bhai and Vishal Bhai in the part of the council. So really a historic moment. And that only has ensured that we could have a president of ICI from Gujarat after 15 years. And in the 75 years history of ICI, we have only had 2 presidents, but I hope we have 2 more who are sitting here and many more to come in the future. But let me tell you, Vishal Bhai, if today you have also heard about the new course, the president speak about how forensic sustainability is going to be there, how we have today a self-paced online module. The one person who was instrumental in making sure that this new course curriculum could be created, and on 1st of July last year, by the august hands of the President of India, Srimati Draupadi Murmu, this course material and the new curriculum could be released. The only person responsible for this is none other than Vishal Doshi ji, who was chairman of Board of Studies. He has put tremendous effort. અને કેમ મહત્વનું છે કે અગત્યનું છે? કેમ કે તમે બધા will be the last batch of chartered accountants who would have given 8 papers in the final. And I think that is something which is going to be extremely important and a matter of pride. All of us have also given those 8 papers, and now, starting from this May examination, you are aware, there are 6 papers in inter, 6 in final. And this entire new curriculum is being developed by Vishal Bhai. He also, as Purushottam Bhai mentioned, is a man of audit in our council. He is a vice chairman of AASB, but very importantly, after 10 years, the International Auditing Assurance Standard Board. I know all of you have given your audit paper. અને સૌથી અઘરું ભગવાનને સૌથી વધારે પ્રાર્થના એ પેપર પછી અને રિઝલ્ટ પહેલાં એના માટે જ કરી હશે. અને એ પેપરમાં જે ઓડિટિંગ સ્ટેન્ડર્ડ્સ આવે છે, they are set up by none other than the International Auditing Assurance Standards Board. And today, on that international table of International Auditing Assurance Standards Board, where there are representatives from US, from Spain, from France, from UK, from Australia, we now have a representation from India, who is none other than Vishal Bhai Doshi, who sits on the IAASB. So yes, the two of them have been instrumental as coordinators to make it possible for all of you to be here. Purushottam Bhai, I remember when we were coming back from Delhi, said that let's make this convocation extremely special for the newly qualified members and their parents. And therefore, I believe it's for the first time that we are having a convocation in such a grand venue. To the chairman of Ahmedabad branch, Sunil Sanghviji, and the secretary, Sunit Bhai, both of whom have put tremendous efforts in making sure that the entire event could be coordinated. Compliments to you, to the branch team, the members of the managing committee who are here, my two colleagues in the regional council, Chintan Bhai, Vikas Bhai, past chairman who are here, Fenil Bhai, and so many of you who are eagerly waiting for the moment that you can come on the stage, take your certificate of membership and have that wonderful picture which is going to be a memory of lifetime for you. But before we do that, let me also spend a couple of minutes to tell you that today, as you qualify as chartered accountants, the opportunity that lies in front of you is unparalleled. Earlier, there used to be an opportunity that if you became a chartered accountant, you got into practice, you got into industry. If you got into practice, you could either do audit, you could do income tax, or very lately GST. Now, as I speak to you, there are tremendous avenues available to each one of you as you qualify. Please try and make sure that when you are today qualifying, also open your mind and horizon. Try and see that as chartered accountants, what is it that I can do which is going to be my unique USP? Let us not get lost in the crowd, but try and see what is that one area of specialization. As Vishal Bhai said, master of one. What is that one area that I can specialize and master in? If you want to do GST, today it is a tremendous opportunity thanks to the appellate work which is going to start. GST was implemented 7 years ago, but now the true appeals and the true interpretation of law will start. And for those of you who have a keen interest in that, I would encourage you, get into that field, but specialize it in a manner that when somebody comes to you with a notice of 73 or 74, you are the best person to draft a reply and give that solution to your client. If these are not the areas of interest for you, look at the newer avenues of forensic accounting. Today, India is the only country in the world where you have a set of 20 detailed forensic accounting and investigation standards. And when banks, when the Ministry of Corporate Affairs and the Companies Act through 143(12) is laying so much importance on fraud and forensics, there is a tremendous opportunity available for you in the area of digital forensics, in the area of forensic accounting and investigation. If you wish to develop yourself maybe 5 years from now, the Insolvency and Bankruptcy Code is truly a huge opportunity that lies in front of you. You can become resolution professionals and make sure that the country sees resolution to some of the biggest banking challenges that it faces. More than that, today, what is extremely important for you to understand, as the scale of the institute, as the president said, is not just restricted to the 5 regional councils or the 176 branches that we have. Today, institute is present in 50 chapters, 31 representative offices, 81 cities of the world and 49 countries of the world. That is the sheer presence of ICI globally. So for those of you who want to create an opportunity, don't just think within the boundaries of India. Go international. If you go to the UAE today and open the door there of a CFO, 7 out of 10 CFOs in the Middle East are Indian chartered accountants. That is the kind of presence our chartered accountants have. If you go to the United States And today we talk about EVs and electronic vehicles. The biggest company, Tesla. And you know who the CFO of Tesla is? He's not a finance graduate from Harvard or Stanford, but he's an Indian chartered accountant from ICI. And today when we have MOU, MRA arrangements with more than 17 different international organizations, believe me, the opportunity for you is truly global. It is for you to decide what I want to do, which part of the world do I want to explore from. You can either provide your services going into Australia, UK, Canada, US, Middle East, or you can choose to be here and provide outsourcing services to all these international areas. And the Institute, through our foreign chapters, through our representative offices, is going to be always there to support. But as you do that, some very important lessons that all of you will have to remember. As Purushottam Bhai rightly mentioned, CA करने में पैसे तो बहुत कम लगते हैं, जवानी पूरी लग जाती है. I think it's a very important message that you all have to understand, that you have given your entire important days when your friends were enjoying their college life, were going about, moving around, enjoying the internet, social media, watching shows, binging on them overnight, going to vacations. You were sitting there and studying. But now, it's extremely important for you to also appreciate that you will be looked upon very differently than your colleagues. I'll give you one example, the Institute of Chartered Accountants of England and Wales. As we have the Institute of Chartered Accountants of India, in the UK there is the ICAEW, which is one of the oldest accounting bodies. And if you look at their monthly journal, a few years ago there was a disciplinary action taken on one of the members. And you know why? Because he was traveling to the metro, which is called the Tube in London. And the ticket checker came and they said, check, that do you have the ticket for this metro ride? He did not have a ticket. He was not only penalized by the railways there, but when the matter came to the institute, he was removed from membership for a certain period by ICAEW. And why is that? It is because when somebody else commits a crime, it is only going to probably not make it to the newspapers. But if that crime is to be committed by you, the headline in the newspaper is going to be, Chartered Accountant hai aa karyu. And therefore, extremely important for you to realize that, as I said at the beginning, huge amount of responsibility rests on your shoulders. You not only carry your name, your parents' name and your family name with you, but you carry these two alphabets of CA before your name. So be extremely mindful. Follow the code of ethics to the core. Be extremely ethical in your conduct. Life will provide various shortcuts. Don't try and take them, because this is a degree that you're earning with a lot of difficulty. And also, very importantly, today as I see all of you, boys who are immaculately dressed, of course, most of you have now the Virat Kohli beard on you, but yes, still looking very professional. And all the ladies who are looking so beautiful today, so dressed up, always remember, as a professional, you will be known by your dress, address, and dash. How you dress yourself is going to be extremely important. Make sure that you dress as a professional. A doctor will always be looking as a doctor if he's wearing the apron. A lawyer wears his black coat, and similarly as chartered accountants, dress professionally. Address, have a wonderful professional address, and also address people with a lot of respect. Build your communication skill, and always have a very, very dashing personality that impresses everybody. Finally, I think I will only say this, that the Institute, we realized that your competition is no longer going to be within India. As the opportunities grow global, your competition is also global. So when the next time you go to Australia and you meet a John who says, I am John, I'm CP Australia. You go to UK and you meet Alex, he says, hi, I'm CP Ireland, I'm Alex. You can also very proudly say, hi, I am CA India, I'm Sunil Sanghvi. This logo, this logo gives you the tricolor, gives you the Indian national flag. It also gives you the word India after your name, which is going to give you tremendous international recognition. But a very important aspect in this year, 2024, we have already seen elections happen in India, and the Prime Minister is today back in his third avatar as Prime Minister. We've seen recently, only 2 days ago, elections that have happened in the UK. There are elections in France and the United States. But for all of you, especially those who have taken your membership before 31st of March, You are going to have the elections to the Central Council and the Regional Council this year. Actively participate in this, because if you want to see a changed institute, if you want to see a modern profession, it is very important for each one of you to realize that you exercise your right to franchise, your right to vote. The elections are going to happen in the first week of December. Do make sure that all of you actively participate in this exercise, which is the mother of democracy, because we are today the largest accounting body, and what you will decide and vote on in December is going to shape the future of the profession. But as I always say, the opportunities are galore. There is going to be tremendous respect for all of you in the future. I am sure in a year from now, I will see your social media post. Maybe a year, 2 years from now, you will all be buying your first car. I am sure your parents will be there in that image. A few years from there, you will be buying a home in your own name. Lot of opportunities are there in front of you. But always remember, it is this Institute of Chartered Accountants of India which has got you this recognition. Always respect the ICAI. Believe that I am the I in ICAI. शुरुआत भी आपसे, अंत भी आपसे, इंस्टीट्यूट भी आप, इंडिया भी आप. जय हिंद, जय ICAI.
Thank you so much, sir, for exhilarating speech. As always, a big round of applause for him. We would like to hear again and again. Yes. So now we are starting with the distribution of the rank certificates. In 2 to 3 minutes.